Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are fine and doing very well at your homes. I am here again with you. So, this is our second class of English. Yes, okay. Now, before starting our work, what we are going to do, we are going to recite dua to increase in our knowledge. So, raise your hand and recite with me. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi zidni ilma. Rabbi zidni ilma. Rabbi zidni ilma. Very well done. Now everyone quickly take out your English workbook as you can see on my table and open it and take out page number 32. Yes, page number 32. Okay, again our topic is the alphabets. Mention the date and day. Today is 36/20. Day is Tuesday. Okay, you can take your mother's help. Okay. Now alphabets. Quickly alphabets पर आ जाते हैं हम. What is the question? Write these nouns in alphabetical order. As you can see in the previous video, what is alphabetical order? How to write alphabetical order. आज हम एक पेज इसका सॉल्व करके आपको बताएंगे. ओके, चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं साथ. अब इन्होंने कहा है राइट दीज नाउन्स. अब यहाँ पे दीज ऑल आर नाउन्स. हाउ? Read with me. Deer, ox, fox, cat. These are the name of animals. Very good. So animal is a noun. Next, giraffe, horse, donkey, monkey. These are all animals. Very well done. Next, room, pencil, table, chair. These are things. Very good. Last, Sana, Arif, Faiza, Zainab. These all are name of persons. तो ये भी noun हुआ. Very well done. Now first solve करते हैं. हमने first letter देखना है alphabetical order में काम करने के लिए. Okay, first letter क्या है इन सारे words में? D, O, F and C. As you can see. Okay, now what comes first according to alphabetical order? According to A till Z. Is D come first, O come first, F or C? What comes first? C comes first. Very good. C for cat and cat is also written here. C-A-T, cat. After C what comes? D. D, deer. Okay. After D, F, fox. And last, ox. Ox. Okay. Now number 2 and 3. Solve this by yourself. Now number 4 मैं आपको explain कर देती हूँ. Because 2 and 3 are same as number 1. Okay class? Okay. Next, last is 4. What is written here? Names of persons written here. Sana, Arif, Faiza, Zainab. What we are going to do? Remember one thing, whenever we write the name of person or some important places or some important personalities, always use capital letter. First letter should be capital whenever we write the name. Whenever you write your name, your father's name, always start with capital letter. Okay class? Sana, Arif, Faiza, Zainab. Now arrange these in alphabetical order. What comes first? F, A, S and Z. What comes first? A come first. Okay. Arif. After A, F. Faiza. After F, S. Sana. And last is Z. Z. Zainab. Understand everyone? Now number 2. Write this alphabetical order according to the second letter. First हमने इनके first letter से जो है इनको alphabetical order में arrange किया था. Now अब हम second exercise में इनको इनके second alphabets की help से alphabetical order में arrange करेंगे. Okay class? Now look carefully. You can see यहाँ पर लिखा है ASS, AD, AZ, AN, AJ. What is common in all? A. First letter is A. A is common in 5 words. Okay. So what we are going to do? We are going to search next word, next alphabet. What is next? S, D, Z, N, J. Okay. These all are different. So what comes first? एस डी जेड एन और जे में से कौन सा लेटर सबसे पहले आता है? सबसे पहले कौन सा लेटर आता है? D आता है. Very good. So A and D comes first, and after D what comes? J. A and J. Okay. Next is N. A and N, and last is S. A S S, and what else? Z. Very good. A and Z is in the last. Understand? According to the next alphabet, we are going to assign or arrange these alphabets in alphabetical order. Understand? One more. What is written here? C L, C A, C I, C R, C H. What is common here again? C is common here. Okay, so what we are going to do? We are going to search next word. What is written here? L A I R H. So what comes first? A. Very good. So C A, after A H, C H, after H I, C I, then C L, last is C R. Understand, class? Now number 3, 4 and 5. Solve these by yourself. Okay, class? I will catch you in my next class. Tab tak keep practicing at home. Do your work neat, clean and proper. Try to write on lines. Okay, class, properly. Stay safe, stay home. Jazakallah. Allah Hafiz.